Hey, how are you guys doing over at Bicalho Pressure Cleaning? And this is Fernando from the site Digital Marketing Agency. This is the video that I promised you, and this is the website that you guys have. This is the text and pictures that Google is going to be looking for. So one of the first things that we're going to be discussing today is content. We'll be discussing that along with backlinks and citations. Those are the three things that Google uses to allow people searching the internet to find web pages, and I'll explain how that works. But on your site, you have some content. There's some pictures which are nice, but the text is not too much, and Google likes about 1,500 words on a home page. And I think one of the things you guys could do would be to put more text on your page, and also make sure that the pictures you have on your pages have text saved in their descriptions and meta tags. And that's all stuff we can do for you if you prefer, but you can do it yourselves as well. And so let me show you what happens when you go to a typical search in Google. Let's say pressure cleaning in Miami. Somebody wants pressure cleaning, and this is what they enter. This is what Google comes up with. And initially you're going to see Google's ads, and these are, paid ads, and they work okay, except not as great as organic because people a lot of times shun away from clicking these ads. They just, they're suspicious and they've had bad experiences. And some search engines actually block these ads. So they don't really work as well as they could, and it could cost you a lot of money and get you not very good results. The next thing you see on the page here is what we call the map pack. And these are local businesses that Google puts in your area, and people like these because they can click directly on the map, they can go to the website, they can go get directions if they're on their phone straight to where you want to be or where you have your office, for some businesses that have offices and things like that. But these are very sought after because they're at the very top of Google search, the very first thing you see below the ads. And this is usually ranked by something called citations. And citations are things that entries of your name, address, and phone number in different websites around the internet. So wherever you go to a website that lets you list your business, you put your business into that website. That website then sends a citation to Google, lets them know that you, the owner of this business and its website, have a listing on that page, and Google finds those and helps you rank higher when you have more citations, more information out there. Now, just below that, you're going to see the organic rankings. And these are the rankings that Google puts up based on all the things we're talking about. But these are what show up when people search these terms. And they're very sought after. There's about 10 per page. And Google's first page is, one of the only pages people visit oftentimes. They come down to the bottom here, and when they don't find you, they move on and go somewhere else. But usually if you're in the top 10, you're on their first page, and that's a very good place to be because statistically speaking, the person that's number one on this ranking gets about 40 to 50% of the clicks. So you can imagine how many people search any given day or month. 40% is a big number to send to your business, and that's always a very good thing. The way that you rank here is also by way of something called a backlink. A backlink is a link on another website with your web address on it that actually, when somebody clicks that web link on another website, sends them to your page. So that backlink is very valuable because it tells Google that that other website thinks you're a good business, you're safe, you're authoritative in what you do, and the more of those links on different pages across the internet you have, the higher Google will rank you. So backlinks are something that's sought after and something that you can get. You don't have to wait for people to do it for you. You can ask it. You can actually buy them. So that is another way to get you on Google's first page. Now, this is the very first organic listing. So if we go to their website, that's their page right there. So you see that Pressure Cleaning Plus is ranked number one in Google when somebody searches Pressure Cleaning Miami. Again, a very popular search term. And you can see they have some nice images, but there's nothing fancy. What they do have is text. They have lots of words, lots of text. There's more text, and you keep scrolling, and you can see this little scroll bar. The page has a long way to go. They have a big first page with a lot of information on it. And again, that's just a matter of creating the content. You don't have to do that. We can do that, or somebody who does what we do can do it for you. And if you're good at it, you can, present the text you want on there. But all of this text, as you can see me scrolling down the page, is counted. And Google likes to see about 1,500 words on a page, on a home page, in order for you to be able to put into this text keywords like the word Miami, exterior, keywords that people find like pressure cleaning, words that people put into search engines. If you put them into the text of your website, regular pressure washing, things like that, Google, their robots find it, and then they rank your page higher as a result of it. So you can put all your services here, house washing, concrete, whatever you do. All of these terms help people. Let's say somebody types into Google house washing, this links that search term to this page and ranks this page higher. So backlinks is another thing that gets you on the organic listings of Google, and they help you rank higher. Now let me show you a tool that we use. This is called RFs, and again, this is a tool we pay for monthly. You can pay for it. They'll sell it to whoever will pay them. This is your page, and you can see that these two numbers here tell Google, or not Google, but this company ranks your web address and your website in terms of authority and power. Authority meaning how serious, how safe, how authoritative, how much information does the searcher find. And then the other number, tells Google how many links you have to your page, and that also will tell Google that, again, it's a good page to rank high. Now you have one backlink on your page, and it's coming from one referring domain, okay? And then you have 0 organic keywords that have found your business, which is driving 0 organic traffic to your site. And when you compare that to your competitor, you can see that his numbers obviously are higher. The ideal ratio between these two numbers is 1-to-1. So ideally, he would have an 18 and an 18, or a 7 and a 7. And he has 70 backlinks coming from 20 different websites around the internet. And he ranks in Google for 126 organic keywords, which give him 303 clicks monthly from this Google search, okay? So if we click on the organic keywords that his page is ranking for, you can see this is his position. So he's ranked number 1 for Miami pressure cleaning, pressure washing Miami, pressure cleaning Miami. All of these are highly desirable search terms, but because of, and for example, in this Miami pressure cleaning, you get 250 people per month searching this term. This KD is the keyword difficulty. This number is 0 to 100. You could see this number is low, so that means it's not difficult to rank for this term, which means that it wouldn't be difficult for you to move up in the search terms for this particular industry. So anyway, I'm not going to take any more of your time. I hope you got some information out of this that you could use to make your website a better place to drive customers to your business. And if you have any information that you need from me or any questions, please call me back. My number is 561-945-6779, and I'll put it in the email. Take care, and thank you very much.